As we approach the launch of the Apple iPhone 17 Air, set to debut on September 9, 2025, tech enthusiasts are buzzing with excitement over the latest leaked specifications. This ultra-slim device is poised to replace the iPhone 17 Plus model, and its design is expected to challenge the sleek aesthetics of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. However, Apple might be making a few compromises in terms of battery life to achieve its slim profile. Let's dive into the details of what we can expect from this highly anticipated smartphone. Design and build quality. The iPhone 17 Air will showcase a design that's thinner than any previous iPhone, with dimensions measuring just 163 by 77.6 by 5.5 millimeters. This makes it incredibly slim at only 0.22 inches thick. Weighing just 146 grams, it will be a lightweight device that is both comfortable to hold and visually stunning. The build will feature a glass front and back, paired with a durable 7000 series aluminum frame, providing a premium feel that is also IP68 rated for dust and water resistance. This means that the device will be resistant to dust and can be submerged in water up to 1.5 meters deep for up to 30 minutes. For users who rely on Apple Pay, the iPhone 17 Air will also support Visa, MasterCard, and Amex payments. Display and visual experience. When it comes to the display, the iPhone 17 Air will feature a 6.9-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED screen. This display is expected to offer vibrant colors and deep contrasts, with a 120Hz refresh rate that ensures smooth scrolling and animations. Additionally, it will support HDR10 and Dolby Vision for enhanced color accuracy and dynamic range. With a peak brightness of 2000 nits, even direct sunlight won't hinder your viewing experience. The screen's resolution of 1320 by 2868 pixels at a 19.5 to 9 aspect ratio results in a pixel density of around 458 ppi, ensuring sharp, crisp visuals. To protect this stunning display, it will be covered in scratch-resistant glass, making it durable and reliable for everyday use. Performance and power. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Air will be powered by the Apple A19 chip, which is built using a 3nm process. This powerful chipset will ensure fast performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running demanding apps. The phone will be equipped with 8GB of RAM across all storage configurations, 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB, ensuring smooth operation without lag. While there's no support for expandable storage, the built-in NVMe storage will offer rapid data transfer speeds. For power efficiency, the device will run on iOS 26, Apple's latest mobile operating system. iOS 26 will feature an adaptive power mode, which, in combination with the device's 2,800 mAh battery, is expected to optimize battery consumption. Although the slim design might limit battery capacity, this new feature will ensure that the iPhone 17 Air lasts a full day on a single charge. In addition, rumors suggest that Apple will release a battery case to further extend the device's usage time, which will help compensate for its relatively small battery size. Camera system and photography features. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to feature a 48MP wide-angle rear camera with an f/1.6 aperture. This camera will include dual-pixel PDF, phase detection autofocus, and sensor shift OIS, optical image stabilization, which should result in sharp, clear images, even in low-light environments. The camera will support 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, as well as 1080p video at up to 240 frames per second for smooth high-definition video capture. HDR, Dolby Vision HDR, and dual LED dual-tone flash will ensure that both photos and videos retain vivid colors and excellent contrast in various lighting conditions. For selfies, the iPhone 17 Air will come with a 12MP front camera with an f/1.9 aperture, capable of shooting 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. It will also support HDR and Dolby Vision HDR for enhanced video quality, ideal for social media content creators and vloggers. Additionally, the front camera will be equipped with 3D spatial audio and stereo sound recording, adding another layer of sophistication to the device's multimedia capabilities. Connectivity and other features. Connectivity options on the iPhone 17 Air will include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC for seamless pairing with wireless accessories and for secure, contactless payments. The device will also support GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, and QZSS for precise positioning, while USB Type-C 2.0 will allow for fast data transfers and support for DisplayPort functionality. Apple's Face ID will continue to serve as the primary biometric authentication method, ensuring secure access to your device with just a glance. The iPhone 17 Air will also feature ultra-wideband UWB support for precise location tracking, emergency SOS functionality, and satellite messaging via Apple's new Find My service, providing added safety features for users.
Final thoughts.
The iPhone 17 Air is shaping up to be an exciting addition to Apple's lineup, combining cutting-edge performance with an ultra-slim design. While its compact size may come with certain compromises, most notably in battery capacity, the inclusion of adaptive power mode and the potential for a battery case should help mitigate this. With a stunning OLED display, powerful A19 chip, and an impressive camera setup, the iPhone 17 Air is set to deliver a premium experience for those seeking a sleek, high-performance smartphone. As we await its official unveiling in September, it's clear that Apple is pushing the boundaries of smartphone design with this innovative new device.